Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to set a custom wallpaper on your Android phone. Whether you want to use your own photo or download a new one, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, unlock your Android phone and go to your home screen. Now tap and hold on any empty space on your home screen. Don't tap on an app icon, just an empty area. After a second or two, a menu will pop up with several options. Okay, you'll see options like widgets, wallpapers, settings, and themes. Tap on wallpapers or wallpaper and style depending on your Android version. For my device, it's customization. Tap on more wallpaper or something similar again if required. Here's the thing. You'll now see different wallpaper sources. You can choose from My Photos to use your own pictures, tap on My Photos to browse photos you've taken, or Wallpapers to see pre-installed options. You might also see options like Live Wallpapers for animated backgrounds. Let's say you want to use your own photo. Tap on My Photos or Gallery. This opens your photo gallery where you can browse through all your images. Find the photo you want to use and tap on it. You can then adjust the image by pinching to zoom in or out, or dragging it to position it how you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Set Wallpaper at the bottom or a tick icon at the top right. If you see options such as Home Screen, Lock Screen, or Home Screen and Lock Screen, choose where you want to apply the wallpaper. Tap on your preferred option or tap on the Done button you see, and your custom wallpaper will be set immediately. And that's it. Your Android phone now has a custom wallpaper. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.